Have you ever heard the phrase, "What happens in Vegas, stays in Vegas"? This iconic saying perfectly sums up the vibrant, exhilarating energy that pulses through Las Vegas after dark. Known worldwide as the ultimate playground for thrill seekers and night owls, Las Vegas offers an unmatched nightlife experience that keeps the city buzzing until dawn. World-famous DJs light up the atmosphere, spinning heart-thumping beats in nightclubs where the energy never dips. The music is electrifying, creating an adrenaline rush that keeps partygoers dancing well into the early hours of the morning. And just when you think the excitement might fade, the city's bars take the night to a whole new level, delivering unforgettable moments of celebration. From exclusive parties to wild, carefree revelry, the magic of Las Vegas nightlife is why the phrase, "What happens in Vegas stays in Vegas," still holds true today. World-class clubs in Vegas. Many agree that the nightlife in Las Vegas is simply unmatched, with world-class clubs drawing visitors from every corner of the globe. At the heart of this glittering city, resorts like Caesars Entertainment offer a variety of venues where unforgettable nights come to life. For music lovers, Omnia Nightclub is a premier destination. This club is nothing short of spectacular, featuring a massive dance floor, a giant LED chandelier that mesmerizes the crowd, and a stunning patio that overlooks the iconic Las Vegas Strip. Top-tier DJs such as Calvin Harris, Cascade, and Zedd frequently take the stage here, keeping the party's energy high well into the early morning hours. Another nightlife icon in Vegas is Dry's Nightclub at the Cromwell. This expansive venue spans 65,000 square feet and is perched 11 stories above the Strip, offering breathtaking views alongside an unforgettable clubbing experience. For those who refuse to let the night end, the party continues at Dry's after hours, tucked away in the basement of the Cromwell, where the music and celebration don't stop until the sun rises. When it comes to navigating Las Vegas's nightlife, there are a few common questions. For instance, how do you gain entry into these clubs? Visitors can choose from several options: joining a guest list, purchasing tickets, or reserving bottle service. Ticket prices typically range from $20 to $100 for men and $10 to $30 for women, depending on the night and which DJ is performing. It's also crucial to be aware of the dress codes at these upscale clubs. Casual attire, such as shorts, athletic shoes, and t-shirts, is not allowed. Dressing to impress is key to ensuring you're granted entry into these elite spots. The nightlife of Las Vegas is inseparable from the dazzling world of casinos, which offer an unrivaled gambling experience. Although only about 15% of visitors come to Vegas with gambling as their main purpose, a staggering 71% find it impossible to resist the lure of the tables and slot machines. As the gambling capital of the world, Las Vegas once held the title of the city with the highest casino revenue globally. However, since 2019, that crown has passed to Macau. Despite this, in 2022, Las Vegas casinos still pulled in an impressive $8.2 billion in revenue. Vegas casinos cater to every type of gambler, from the casual visitor to the seasoned high roller. At Caesars Palace, for instance, you can immerse yourself in an opulent Roman atmosphere while trying your luck at classic games like blackjack, craps, and roulette. For poker enthusiasts, the newly reopened 500-square-foot poker room in the heart of the casino floor is a must-visit, offering a luxurious setting for high-stakes play. If you're looking for a more intimate vibe with better odds, Cromwell Casino is the perfect spot. Ranked as one of the 10 best U.S. casinos, Cromwell offers games like Double-Deck Blackjack, which features more favorable odds for players, making it a favorite among savvy gamblers. For those seeking a laid-back, lively atmosphere, O'Shea's Casino offers a unique blend of an Irish pub and a gaming floor. Here, you can enjoy a party-like atmosphere, challenge your friends to beer pong, and engage in lively socializing while playing table games, all under the same roof. This casual yet spirited venue provides a refreshingly different experience from the glitz of the larger casinos. Yet it doesn't skimp on the fun and excitement that Las Vegas nightlife is known for. Strip clubs in Las Vegas. Often referred to as Sin City, Las Vegas is world-renowned for its extravagant strip clubs, which draw dancers from across the globe. These clubs are a quintessential part of the Vegas experience and have become mainstream entertainment in the city. If you're planning to visit one, there are a few important things to keep in mind. First, dress codes are strictly enforced, so avoid wearing overly casual items like sandals or sports jerseys. Tipping is a major part of the culture here, so be sure to bring plenty of cash. Lap dances usually last for the duration of one song, and it's important to note that touching dancers without permission is strictly prohibited. Although the vibe in these clubs might seem carefree, it's crucial to remember that prostitution is illegal in Clark County, which includes Las Vegas. Attempting to solicit or ask a dancer out on a date is not only inappropriate, but also against the law. Many of these clubs, such as Sapphire or Crazy Horse 3, offer VIP services for those looking to elevate their experience. Some even feature pools or in-house restaurants, making them entertainment hubs in their own right. However, it's important to remember that these venues are strictly for exotic dancing, not prostitution, which remains illegal within the city. Nightlife in Las Vegas isn't just about thumping nightclubs. For those who prefer a more relaxed atmosphere, the city is brimming with lounges and bars that offer a laid-back yet vibrant experience. Take Harrah's Piano Bar, where interactive piano performances bring lively energy to the evening, or American Beer and Cocktails, which serves a wide variety of beers from all across the United States. If you're seeking something more refined, Vanderpump Cocktail Garden offers handcrafted cocktails in a luxurious garden setting, blending elegance with creativity. For cigar lovers, Monte Cristo Cigar Bar provides an upscale space to enjoy premium cigars, alongside a selection of the finest whiskeys. Whether you're in the mood for a casual beer or an elegant cocktail, Vegas has a spot for every type of night out. Las Vegas isn't just synonymous with casinos and nightlife. It's also a shopping mecca that caters to luxury buyers and bargain hunters alike. The city boasts an array of high-end shopping centers and outlet malls, ensuring that everyone can find something to suit their taste and budget. Known as the shopping wonder of the world, the Forum Shops at Caesar's Palace are a must-see for luxury shoppers, featuring elite brands like Gucci and Louis Vuitton. If you're looking for a more immersive experience, the Grand Canal Shops at the Venetian allow visitors to enjoy a Venice-like ambiance, complete with gondola rides, as they browse upscale stores. For those seeking variety, Fashion Show Mall houses more than 250 stores and even features a runway for fashion shows. The shops at Crystals offer high-end designer boutiques, while Las Vegas North Premium Outlets provide deep discounts on luxury brands, making it a favorite for savvy shoppers. Lastly, Miracle Mile shops at Planet Hollywood and Town Square Las Vegas offer a more casual shopping environment, blending retail with dining and entertainment options, making it easy to spend an entire day indulging in both shopping and leisure. Theme parks in Las Vegas. Las Vegas isn't just a playground for gamblers. It also boasts a variety of exciting theme parks and attractions that offer fun for all ages. Adventure Dome at Circus Circus is the largest indoor theme park in the United States, packed with adrenaline-pumping rides like the Canyon Blaster, a double-loop, double corkscrew roller coaster, and the daring El Loco, which sends thrill-seekers hurtling through wild twists and turns. For those craving even more excitement, the Big Apple Coaster at the New York Hotel delivers a heart-stopping roller coaster experience while offering stunning views of the Las Vegas Strip. For extreme thrill enthusiasts, Skyline Park at the Strat features rides like Big Shot, which shoots you 160 feet into the air at high speed, and X-Scream, a ride that dangles you off the edge of the tower, creating a stomach-churning experience. If you're after something a bit more relaxed, the High Roller, the largest Ferris wheel in the world, gives you a leisurely ride with breathtaking panoramic views of the city's skyline. If you're looking to take a break from the constant party and experience nature, Las Vegas offers several outdoor adventures just a short drive away. One of the most popular spots is Red Rock Canyon, located just 30 minutes from the city. Known for its striking red rock formations and challenging hiking trails, Red Rock also has a basic campground for those looking to spend the night under the stars. Another fantastic option is Lake Mead National Recreation Area, also about 30 minutes from Las Vegas. Here, visitors can enjoy a wide range of activities, including camping, fishing, and boating, offering a peaceful escape from the urban hustle. For those who prefer cooler temperatures and a forested setting, Mount Charleston, located just 35 miles from Las Vegas, offers lush pine forests, scenic hiking trails, and cozy campgrounds. It's a great way to beat the desert heat and enjoy a tranquil mountain retreat. Lastly, for a more remote and awe-inspiring camping experience, Valley of Fire State Park is an excellent choice. With its dramatic red rock formations and ancient petroglyphs, this park is a bit farther out but offers a one-of-a-kind connection with nature, perfect for those seeking solitude and spectacular desert scenery. Underground and hidden gems. Beyond its reputation as the world's entertainment capital, Las Vegas is home to many hidden gems that offer unique and off-the-beaten-path experiences. One standout is the Neon Boneyard, where visitors can explore a graveyard of iconic neon signs from legendary hotels and casinos like the Stardust. This outdoor museum provides a fascinating look into the city's rich history, illuminating the golden age of Vegas through the vibrant signage of its past. Another must-see is Container Park, located in downtown Las Vegas. This innovative shopping and entertainment complex, constructed entirely from repurposed shipping containers, is filled with quirky shops, eclectic restaurants, and live music events. It even features a playful area for kids, making it a great spot for the whole family. For history buffs, the Mob Museum offers an engaging dive into the underworld of organized crime and law enforcement. With interactive exhibits and artifacts, it uncovers the notorious history of the mob in Vegas and the efforts to bring them to justice. And for those in search of an iconic Vegas experience, the Little White Wedding Chapel is famous for its quick yet charming wedding ceremonies, complete with a drive-through option for those looking to tie the knot in true Vegas style. Las Vegas isn't just a playground for entertainment, it's also a world-class culinary destination, featuring everything from Michelin-starred dining to top-notch street food. One of the crown jewels of Vegas's fine dining scene is Joel Robuchon at MGM Grand. This 3 Michelin-starred restaurant serves exquisite French haute cuisine, offering decadent dishes like foie gras and black truffle in an opulent, elegant setting. For a more intimate and avant-garde experience, E by Jose Andres at the Cosmopolitan features an exclusive 8-seat dining room where guests can indulge in a modern twist on traditional Spanish cuisine. The chef's mastery of molecular gastronomy brings to life a culinary journey that's as much an art performance as it is a meal. No trip to Vegas is complete without visiting the famous Bacchanal Buffet at Caesar's Palace. Known for its incredible variety, the buffet offers over 500 dishes, including fresh seafood, prime rib, and a vast selection of international cuisine. For street food lovers, Tacos El Gordo on the Las Vegas Strip serves authentic Mexican tacos, with mouth-watering fillings like carne asada and al pastor. Another must-visit is Best Friend by Roy Choi at Park MGM, which blends the bold flavors of Korean cuisine with the vibrancy of Los Angeles street food, creating a dining experience that's both laid back and full of culinary surprises.